Good morning, 6th class. Hope you all are well. So today we are starting with our next topic, exercise 4.4, which is included also in this term syllabus. 4.4 only third sum all parts you have done already, but 2 to 8 sums, other sums are also 2 to 8, from sum number 2 to 8 I am repeating, are included in syllabus. So I am discussing here sum number 2 first. Find LCM by prime factorization method. So you have to see what is LCM. The full form of LCM is least common multiple. You might have done in the class 5th also. So prime factors, that means we have to make the prime factors of all the given numbers. We have given number 6, 12 and 18 in the first sum. First is 6. We will make prime factors of 6. We have to take numbers for the division which are only prime. So 6 is divisible by 2 and 2 is prime also. What are prime numbers? Which have exactly only 2 factors, जो किसी और टेबल पे नहीं आते, अपने टेबल के अलावा किसी और टेबल पे नहीं आते, those are called prime numbers. So 2, when 6 is divisible divided by 2, quotient will be 3. Here we will write quotient in each step. After that 3 will not have any other factor because 3 is a prime number. So leave it here. Next come to the 12. 12 is divisible by 2 because it is even number. 6 will be the quotient and 6 is divisible by 2. 3 is the quotient. Next number is 18. Divisible by 2. 9 is the quotient. 9 is divisible by 3. 3 is the quotient. We have stopped here because 3, 3, 3 at the end we have found the prime number. They will not have any other factor. Next is write in this form. After doing this, write the factors in this form. 6 is equal to 2 multiply 3. 12 is equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. 18 is equal to 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. Now for LCM, for finding LCM, you have to see which are the common numbers. First of all, 2 is common. Here 2 is common. So you can see 2 is common in all 3. 2 is common, so take the highest power of 2. The maximum number of time the 2 is occurring, in which number you have to take that. For example, 12 में 2 दो बार आ रहा है, बाकियों में 6 और 18 के फैक्टर में 1 एक बार आ रहा है. We have to take 2 times 2, the maximum power of 2 for the LCM or the product. Next is 3 is maximum power of 3. Again 3 is common, and what is the maximum times 3 is coming in the factors, that is 2 times. So I have taken 2 times 3 here. You have to take maximum power of the common number and which are uncommon. There is nothing uncommon factor in this. So which are uncommon you will take all. So LCM is equal to, after multiplying all these numbers you will find LCM 36. So 36 is the least common multiple of all the numbers 6, 12 and 18. जो तीनों के टेबल में आता है 36 is the number जो तीनों के टेबल में आता है, and it is the least number which occur in the table of 6, 12 and 18. I have done one more part here. Next is 5, 10 and 20. So factors of 5 is, because 5 is prime number, it will not be divisible by any other number. 10, factors of 10 is 2 multiply 5, 20 is 2, 2 and 5. Write in this form and now check which are the common numbers. 2 and 5 are the common. Which is the maximum power of 2? Maximum power of 2 is 2 multiply 2. Maximum time it is occurring in 20. So take 2 multiply 2. And 5 is occurring only one time. So we will take 5 only one time here. So multiply 2, 2 and 5 for the LCM. It is 20. So you have to try all the next parts. You have to complete second question by yourself. Thanks to all. So yes, 6th class, move towards the next sum, which is 4th. Third we have already covered in the unit test syllabus. So I am coming directly to the 4th sum. LCM is equal to, it is given that LCM of two number is 108 and HCF is equal to 18. One number is also given, that is 54, and you have to find the other numbers because we might have two numbers for the LCM and HCF. So other number we have to find. LCM is given, HCF is given. Formula for the other number you have done in 5th class. other number is equal to LCM multiply HCF, which is highlighted. It is the formula LCM multiply HCF divided by one number. Now after writing formula, I will fill the values here. 108 multiply 18 divided by 54. Now cut it on the table of 54. 54 ones are 54 and 54 twos are 108. So I have written 2 after cutting 108, and after cutting 54 I have written 1. So after that you will divide 2 multiply 18. Denominator is vanished. So 2 multiply 18 is equal to 36 is the other number you have to write here. So now fifth sum is product of two number is given 25,857. LCM is given 1989. HCF we have to find. Again formula for finding HCF. These formulas you have done in class 5th also. So HCF is equal to product of two numbers divided by LCM. So fill the values. Product of two number is given 25,857 and divided by 1989. After dividing both the numbers, you will get HCF is equal to 13. So next sum is sum number 6. Product of two number is given 288. HCF is given. We need to find LCM. Again the formula which is in the box, LCM is equal to product of two numbers and HC divided by HCF. We have filled the values. 288 divided by 2. So LCM will be 144.